Hey everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars, and this morning we have this 2017 Skoda Superb SEL Executive model. It's the 2 litre TDI 190 DSG, finished in moon white pearl on the 19-inch Phoenix alloys with the black leather, 56,000 miles, immaculate throughout. A really stunning car. SEL Executive, pretty much top of the range. It's Euro 6, so it is ULEZ compliant. Your reg number's there if you need to check anything. There is barely a mark on it. It's got 3 services. Remember, these are on 20,000 mile intervals, so technically full history. Will come with the annuity, your warranty, etc. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got a power tailgate, detachable tow bar. It's super clean inside. Got your floor mats there, your folding seats, your load cover, little handheld torch, your detachable tow bar with all your bits and bobs in there. Black leather, stacks of room in the back, of course. Isofix, centre armrest, 3 proper seat belts, headrests. Unmarked, absolutely unmarked, look. Power mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows, auto lights and wipers. Electric driver's seat with memory. All very nice. Again, super clean. Got a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. $56,976 miles, and we'll just give it a start. When I can find the key. There we go. So as you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. When there are no warnings, the car does start without fault. I've got your radar cruise control just here. Heated seats. Dual climate control. Your media and navigation system up here. I believe this one's got parking sensors, yep. But yeah, there's your navigation, DAB and FM radio, the all important Bluetooth audio, just there, look. Perfect on the centre, your driver mode buttons, your auto hold handbrake, your handbrake, your cup holders, and your chilled armrest. Your handbooks are there in the glove box. And that is that. As I say, this car is absolutely immaculate. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Finance is available. We work with a number of lenders to get you the best deals that we can. Thanks for watching.